Service Ranger 4.13 Professional Diagnostic for Detroit Engines. Service Ranger 4.13 is a powerful diagnostic platform built specifically for Detroit engine systems. It provides technicians with professional-grade tools to diagnose, analyze, and service engines with accuracy and confidence. With stable ECU communication, Service Ranger 4.13 ensures fast system recognition and reliable data access. This allows users to begin diagnostics quickly and avoid unnecessary delays in the workshop. The software delivers comprehensive fault code analysis, including active and inactive codes, detailed descriptions, and supporting data. This helps technicians identify issues efficiently and focus on the real cause of engine problems. Real-time data monitoring is a key strength of Service Ranger 4.13. By tracking live parameters, users can evaluate engine performance under actual operating conditions, improving diagnostic precision. Service Ranger 4.13 also supports advanced system tests and actuator controls. These functions allow verification of component operation without dismantling hardware, saving time and reducing repair costs, designed for professional environments. Service Ranger 4.13 streamlines the entire diagnostic process for Detroit engines, delivering reliable results, faster troubleshoot, and confident repair decisions.